Hey folks, today we're going to be learning about the Arctic Fox 295T, one of the best trailers on the market, made right here in Oregon. Okay folks, coming inside this trailer, as you can see, there are plenty windows in the back, so if you back up to a beautiful area, you have plenty views to turn around and look at the beautiful scenery. You have two recliner chairs. Then also when you come around to the right hand side of it, you also have a love seat right here that also has heated and massage seats. Then you have an actual four chair dinette table here. Then if you come back around to the right, you also have the entertainment system with a DVD player that will also play DVDs and also play music via Bluetooth. This trailer also comes with the solar panel on top and the controller. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to ask. Also, you get a double fridge on this one. So if you have a lot of food and you have a lot of family with this double fridge, you're going to love it. Okay? You also get an oven and a microwave and three burners on this one. Double sink as well. And you can see the quality of the Arctic Fox, which is one of the best built trailers in my opinion in the world. Okay? Tongue and groove plywood floor, all aluminum structure. Now, when you come around to the bedroom, up the stairs, you also have a restroom to the right, a toilet and a sink, and then to the left, you have the full shower where you can sit down in the shower. Pretty awesome. Then you got the full size bed, and then you have the big closet that goes across the front of the trailer. Also, there's a spot in this closet for a washer and dryer. So that's pretty awesome. So then when you come down around, you have your entertainment system in the room here. You have the best insulation on this trailer possible. What they do is they call it a foxhole. So they put the tanks in different compartments, and there's heat pumped into each one of those compartments to make sure that your tanks do not freeze over, hence the word Arctic Fox. This trailer can go in the coldest areas and you will be fine. Double pane windows on these trailers. This is the trailer for anyone that's going to be doing a lot of traveling, going to cold or hot areas. This trailer is insulated better than any trailer I've been in. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to give Anthony Fuller a call. The number is 541-653-2818. Thank you for your time. God bless, and have some fun out there camping.